the project? Yes.
Basically, we are inviting to evaluate the projects. Till now, most of the projects are amazing projects, and we have different criteria based on the maturity of the projects and the development of projects. So right now, we will start to evaluate, and I feel a lot of projects deserve to be with the high rank projects.
Do you think that students learn to do projects in this age? Do you think it's a good idea?
Actually, it's a very good idea to start teach the students how they could invent something new. Till now, I think so, yes.
How was the project? Yes.
Basically, most of the projects, in my perspective, are amazing and really worthy to be evaluated.
Thank you very much.
Zoas, thank you.